And senior BJP leader L.K. Advani and leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha Sushma Swaraj will not attend the party rally in Mumbai. Though the party has claimed that Advani has some prior commitments, media reports claim that reason behind it is Advani's unhappiness over some developments in the party. All the chief ministers in the BJP-ruled states across the country, including Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, will attend the public meeting organised at Kamgarh Krida Maidan in the city.
Yesterday, Nitin Gadkari's name was proposed for president for a second term by Rajnath Singh, seconded by Venkaiah Naidu. To give him a second term, the very constitution of the party was amended, something that Advani is greatly unhappy with, especially since the decision was taken without even consulting him. Remember, headlines today had told you that the RSS brokered the Gadkari-Modi deal, leaving Advani out in the cold, and that has left the senior leaders seething. But the BJP would have us believe that prior commitments are keeping Advani and Sushma away.
रैली में क्यों शामिल नहीं हो रही हैं आप अचानक?
मुझे कल पहुंचना था, मैं आयोजकों को पहले से कह रही हूं।
मैडम, इसमें आपका नाम छपा हुआ है।
हाँ, मैं कह रही थी आयोजकों को, मगर आयोजकों
लेकिन ये कहा जा रहा है कि आप नाराज होकर जा रही हैं।
अरे काहे की नाराजगी? मैं लगातार जा रही हूँ। इसलिए नाराज हूँ, मैं बिल्कुल नाराज नहीं हूँ।
दीदी, आपका
I am very sorry to say it is completely baseless. Advani ji आज की मुंबई की रैली में नहीं रहने वाले थे। ये विषय मुंबई भाजपा ने आपको 4 दिन पहले क्लैरिफाई कर दिया था प्रेस में। आपने रैली का होर्डिंग लगा देखा होगा, उसमें अडवाणी जी की फोटो नहीं है। अडवाणी जी की फोटो बाकी हर जगह है। तो इतना जब मालूम है कि उनका कार्यक्रम नहीं था पिछले 15-20 दिन से, फिर भी ये चलाना, आई एम वेरी सॉरी टू से दिस इज नॉट फेयर।
Amount of speculation for the absence of Mr. Advani. Advani ji is not angry. He had a prior commitment, and in order to keep that up, he would not be able to attend the public rally. Was known for last 3 days. It has nothing to do with what is happening during the National Executive. There is no connection between that resolution's content or the subject of that resolution and his being away. He is fully with us.
Is an attempt at all being made here to send out a signal that every decision was unanimous, that there would possibly have been dissent from some quarters at all?
All is in the minds of people who are looking at us. There is no dissensions here. We did have a democratic discussion about most issues. Discussions are happening on Karnataka. Things will be amicably settled.